Hello, Sudoku friends, especially for the Suguru people, a.k.a. in Japanese, yes, for the Tectonics, Tectonic with 4 stars. In this additional of today's newspaper of Thursday, January the 21st, 2021. The last Sudoku I will solve will be a Tectonic with 4 stars. 4 stars. Let me position the camera. Yes. Alright. This will be number 2202. Alright. And before I start, let me count the printed digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14 printed digits. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see single box or boxes? I see here single box, there's single box. The single box is always a 1, always a 1. Alright, I see here dual box 1 or a 2. I cannot fill this directly here, so a dual box. Triple box, no. Triple boxes. Alright, and let me see, we have a 4 here, so those 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1 or a 2. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2 because we need a 1 and a 2 or a 2. So I cannot fill this yet. This cannot be a 1 or a 2. So 2 boxes left, 1 and a 2. Could be here, could be there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this can't be 1 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be a 2. We have a 1 here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes for you. Alright, these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Okay. Yeah. So 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here or could be there. We have 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes, I cannot fill any 2 in those 2 boxes. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those. 1 and 3. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. That means those 4 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this can't be 3 anymore. This should be a 3, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this can't be 5 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 3. Okay. Yeah. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. Two, 4. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1, can be a 2, can be a 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So I think this box can be a 1. We have already a 1 here, so the 1 goes there. This box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. I think this box should be a 1 because it cannot be 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be 4, cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Okay. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 1 now. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then this box cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. Oh no. I already have a 4 here. No, those 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes here. 1, 3, 4. So 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5. But also this box cannot be a 5 because I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. Yeah. I think this box should be a 4. Because it cannot be a 1. It cannot be a 2 because one of those 2 boxes is 2. Cannot be a 3. Should be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1. Cannot be a 2. Should be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 2. This should be a 3. These 3 boxes surround the 3. Cannot be a 3. This box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, but also those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 and the 5 goes together as a pair in these 2 boxes. So the other pair should be the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We have a 4 and a 5 here. Sorry, 4 and a 5 there. So these two boxes cannot be a 4 or a 5. The 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. We see there 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Two numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this can't be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes and there. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Yeah. Alright. So this box cannot be a 2, cannot be a 1, so the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one box left for the 3. Okay. So this box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 1. One box left in this area for the number 1. Yeah. Those two boxes are reserved for the 5. So this box cannot be a 5. I need a 5 in one of those two boxes. So it cannot be a 5, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 1. So one digit left should be the 4. Okay. So. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be there. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 2. Alright. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 go into into those two boxes goes the 1. Okay. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 2. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. Yeah. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. It should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. So 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes and there. Those two boxes cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright. Great. Tectonic. I like this one. 4 stars. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Friday, almost weekend. Yes, weekend. Thank you, and bye bye for now. Have a great day. See you soon.